Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to resize our Samsung keyboard. My one is Samsung S8 phone that the keyboard is like this. I put this dark mode of keyboard. Actually, if we do for landscape mode like this, it's not really problem. But if I rotate my screen and then I want to start typing, it becomes the screen of my typing. It invisible. I couldn't see my typing because the screen on the upper is really small, so I couldn't see any my type. See, actually this one is if you can see the screen of my type is like that. It's really small, really tiny. I couldn't see it, so I have to resize my keyboard. How to doing that? You just press this gear icon or keyboard settings. Also you can enter from the settings in general, and then here you can click this keyboard layout and feedback. After that you have to turn off this keyboard toolbar. The toolbar is on this upper of numbers. There is a emoticon and then the clipboard, sticky notes, and so on and so on. I want to hide that option, my so my keyboard would be compact than before. So I repeat, I will turn off the keyboard toolbar and then OK, and then here you can click this size and transparency. I want to make it really small, and then I'm trying in the landscape mode. I'm trying to keep it smaller and wider in the landscape mode, and then click done. Now I return to my notes, so I can type in the landscape mode. See, now I already seen my typing here because the keyboard is smaller and compact, so I couldn't see my type. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye.